Hello dear students, let's do today multiplication of integers. So our first question is, what is 3 multiply with negative 2? So as we know our BODMAS rule that positive is positive, negative is positive, positive is negative, and negative positive is negative. This all is our board mass rule. We have to follow this rule and we have to keep doing the question. Here we can see the 3 is positive and 2 is negative. That means negative is negative. So 3 multiplied 2 is a 6 and with the sign of negative. Now it's time to do the next question. Our next question is negative 5 multiply with 3. Again, in this question, we have negative positive is negative and 5 multiply with the 3 is going to be 15. Now, let's see our next question. Our next question is 6 multiply with negative 5. In this question as well, we can see we have 6 positive and 5 negative. So positive negative is negative. 6 times 5 is a 30 and with the sign will be negative. Next question. Here we can write our next question is negative 12 multiply with 2. So 12 multiplied 2 is 24. Negative positive is again going to be negative. Next question. 2 multiply with 8. Here the 2 doesn't have any sign and 8 doesn't have any sign. That means they both are positive and 2 times 8 is 16. Positive 16. We don't have to mention positive sign over here. Next question is negative 14 multiply with negative 2. So negative will become positive. 14 multiplied 2 will become 28. So this is how we can do question number 2 as well. It's time for next question. If we have a question, negative 3 multiply negative 6, then 3 multiply 6 is 18 and negative will become positive. However, you can just write it 18 because positive sign doesn't require to mention. Next question is, if we have a negative 3 multiply with 1, then 3 times 1 is 3. Negative positive is again negative. The last question is 2 multiply with negative 8. 2 times 8 is 16 with the sign of negative again. So this is how we can do our multiplication of integers. In the same way, we can do division as well. So let's do some division.